Number 1. Kathgodam. If you are looking for the best places to visit in Uttarakhand in December, then Kathgodam is indeed one of the finest Haldwani tourist spots to visit, as you will be charmed and captivated by the natural beauty of the place. In Kumaoni, Kathgodam stands for Timber Depot. Kathgodam may be a railway station for most tourists travelling on to more popular destinations, but it has an interesting history. Number 2. Gaula Dam. For religious people, Shitla Devi Temple is sure shot hit, as it is one of the best Haldwani tourist places where you can connect with God. Gaula River originates somewhere in the Lesser Himalayas. It eventually joins the Ramganga River, then goes on to become a tributary to the holy Ganges. Number 3. Shitla Devi Temple. The Durga Temple is one of the most popular tourist places near Haldwani, Uttarakhand. The temple is located on a small hill and the climb is easy. You should visit the Shitla Devi, the goddess of sore and pustules and all of kind of diseases, if you are a worshipper. Also enjoy the amazing views of the sunset in the evenings that draws crowds. Number 4. Jeoli Kot. About 23 kilometers away from Haldwani, it takes about 30 minutes to get to this small village, which is located on the road to Nainital. The village is one of the best places to visit in and around Haldwani and is the perfect embodiment of the peace offered by the Himalayas. Number 5. Nokochetal. Literally the Lake of Nine Corners is the charming hill station is one of the best places to visit near Haldwani and should be on the top of the list of the places to see on the Haldwani sightseeing tour. Only 32 kilometers away from the town, the lake is all set among hills and offers a beautiful peek into the Himalayas of the Kumaon. Number 6. Bhimtal Lake. The lake is around 15 kilometers from Haldwani and significantly bigger than the Nokochetal. In fact, at a height of 4,500 feet above sea level, Bhimtal is the largest lake in Kumaon, which is often called the Lake District of India. Bhimtal does not have a quiet beauty of the some smaller lakes, but you can find places around the lake shore where you would feel like only people in the world. Number 7. Sanjeevan. Forming a part of the Tanga region, Sanjeevan is nothing less than a paradise for nature lovers. Surrounded by thousands of trees and foliage, Sanjeevan is the best place to visit in Haldwani for a picnic with the family. It is home to several birds and animals, out of which antelopes are a common sight. Number 8. Devbhoomi Adventureland. If you are looking for some fun places to see in Haldwani, then you must explore Devbhoomi Adventureland. It is a perfect place to have a fun day trip with your families and friends. You can opt for the many adventurous rides, after which you can head to the refreshment area and relish both Indian and Chinese dishes. Number 9. Hidimba Parvat. If you are ready for physical challenge, climbing the Hidimba Parvat is for you. Around 5 kilometers from Bhimtal, the temple dedicated to Bhima's wife offers gorgeous views of the hills and its premises. However, you should be advised the place is crawling with rowdy monkeys and you should be ready to protect yourself. Number 10. Kainchi Dham. This is one of the most famously spiritual places to visit in Haldwani, Uttarakhand. Around 44 kilometers from the city center and also on the road to Nainital, the temple is dedicated to the famous Neem Karoli Babaji, who inspired a number of celebrities with his philosophy of Bhakti Yoga. Hope you enjoyed this video. We have taken this initiative to promote the tourism in India and your support motivates us. If you like this video, please share it with your friends and family and also press the like button. Do tell us in comment section about your visit to these places and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more videos like this.